Hi guys, I'm going to try and make a indoor hot air balloon using a plastic bin liner, a hairdryer to heat the air, some parcel tape and some scissors. I had a suggestion from Kirk Brotherton. He wants me to make a rubber band powered helicopter or something like that, or a hot air balloon using a hairdryer. I'm not going to be making a helicopter at the moment. I've tried before and failed, so that's at the bottom of my list at the moment. But I will have a go at making a hot air balloon. I've seen some good videos on YouTube, so I might link to them in the video description. But I'll cut up this bag and make it into a hot air balloon. Okay, the shape we're going to make is something I can't remember the name of. But it's basically a square, and your normal bin liner like this has actually got a fold in it that we don't want. So I'm going to cut the end off, stretch the plastic out so that we don't have that fold in it, and then put some tape along it to seal it up again. So it looks like it's that width, but if we take the fold out of it, it becomes almost twice as wide. So I'll seal that up again. With the sticky tape. So that's sealed that way. Just trim the edges off. Right, if I fold it corner to corner, we should be able to make a square out of it. So I now need to cut straight across this way. And the trick here is we want to fold it the opposite way. So find the centre, we'll do it that way. I shall have to have a look on the web and see what it's actually called, this shape. I think it's technically got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So what we now need to do is cut one corner, and that's the bit that we put the hot air into. So it needs to be big enough for the hairdryer to go in, and we don't want it to start melting around the edges. So I'll cut a reasonable sized hole. And I'll try blowing some hot air in there and see what happens. It's not actually raising off the ground at the moment. That seemed to work. I kept it tethered obviously because I don't want it to disappear and upset people.